So it's drizzling. Pouring. I looked all cute earlier, but now I'm so much more comfortable back in my seat. It'd be really nice if there was an awning here. But it wouldn't be really nice if I was struck by lightning right now. You hear that? That's thunder. These are dying, the little lorope that I planted. This is a big muddy mess. Yeah. Here's the baby tree. And it's going to be sunny within like 5 minutes, I'm pretty sure, because that's Texas for you.